What if I told you that Amazon is hiding gadgets so clever, you'll wonder how you've lived without them, from futuristic smart home tech to mind-blowing everyday inventions, and these 12 hidden gems get more impressive with every pick. Trust me, you will want to see number 1. Number 12. ONXE LED USB Clock Fan. Staring simple but surprisingly clever. The ONXE LED USB clock fan does much more than keep you cool. Simply plug it into any USB port. No batteries. No drivers. Just instant airflow. The flexible gooseneck bends in any direction, sending a cool breeze exactly where you need it. Then comes the fun part. As the blades spin, built-in LEDs create a floating digital clock right in midair. It looks like science fiction. Yet it works flawlessly. Soft PVC blades stay safe if touched. Perfect for desks, offices, dorm rooms, or laptops. Small gadget but surprisingly useful every single day. Number 11. Force One Scoot Pro Hand Drone. Forget remote controls. The Force One Scoot Pro flies with your hands. Toss it into the air and built-in motion sensors instantly take over. Wave underneath it, watch it rise. Move your hands sideways. It follows. New 360-degree obstacle detection helps it avoid walls, furniture, and people with impressive accuracy. Bright blue and green LEDs make every flight looks even cooler, especially at night. The new rotation mode adds another fun trick using simple gestures. Lightweight, durable, and beginner-friendly. It's perfect indoors. Flying has never felt this effortless or entertaining. Number 10. Ponek T02 Mini Thermal Sticker Printer. This tiny gadget replaces pens, labels, and sticky notes. Meet the Ponek T02 Mini Thermal Sticker Printer. It fits in your pocket but prints almost anything. Connect Trough Bluetooth. Open the companion app, print notes, checklists, QR codes, labels, flashcards, photos, and reminders in seconds. No ink cartridges. No messy refills. Just thermal paper. Built-in templates make designing quick and easy. OCR scanning even converts printed pages into printable stickers. Students love it. Small businesses rely on it, creators use it every day. Lightweight, rechargeable, and surprisingly versatile, it's productivity packed into something smaller than your smartphone. Number 9. LEXIVON 2-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure. Why carry two measuring tools when one does everything? The LEXIVON 2-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure combines a traditional tape with a powerful laser rangefinder. Measure up to 130 feet instantly with impressive accuracy. Need shorter measurements? Pull out the built-in 16-foot autolock tape. The large LCD screen displays clear readings in metric or imperial units, enhancing every job with a magnetic hook, rubberized grip, and durable housing. From furniture building, to putting up shelves, to renovating a room, this tool saves time and guesswork. One of those devices that you're going to be wondering how you ever lived without. Number 8. Gskyer Telescope. Think astronomy is complicated? The Gskyer telescope proves otherwise. Setup takes only minutes. Now, point it up at the sky and get ready to be amazed. The 90mm aperture with 600mm focus will bring both brightness and detail to the moon, planets, and faraway landscapes. Every shot is stable thanks to the adjustable tripod. The smartphone adapter allows you to take fantastic photos without investing in costly camera equipment. Each night is an adventure, whether you are looking out for Saturn's rings or visiting the craters on the moon. Easy to use but powerful. Perfect for aspiring astronomers or anyone wanting a front row seat to the universe from their own backyard. Number 7. AstroAI AIRUN L4 Car Air Pump. Flat tires? No problem. The AstroAI AIRUN L4 gets you moving in minutes. This portable wireless inflator fills a car tire from 30 to 36 psi in less than a minute. Select the inflation setting for cars, bikes, motorcycles, balls, or use a custom setting. This big, 660 mAh battery can expand multiple tires on one charger, and even serve as a power bank. Flashlight, SOS and strobe modes are pre-programmed for additional safety. Compact enough to fit into any glove box. Powerful for every road trip. Number 6. Barsys 360 Cocktail Maker Machine. Now it's easy to bartend. Push a button and the Barsys 360 Cocktail Maker makes high-quality cocktails in no time. Choose a cocktail recipe, pick your preferred beverage and enjoy a perfectly mixed cocktail in just 10 seconds. Every drink is absolutely flavorful, from margaritas to whiskey sours. The cookbook app can suggest recipes using items in your collection. The insulated containers help maintain ingredients cool for hours, and the convenient quick fill makes setup easy. Spend less time mixing, more time entertaining. Your home bar instantly feels 5-star. Number 5. Flavor Blaster Mini 2 Cocktail Gun. This gadget turns every drink into a show. The Flavor Blaster Mini 2 produces flavorful edible smoke-filled bubbles that pop with a remarkable flavor. Striking just like the most luxurious cocktail bars in the globe. Put your favorite fragrance in, now pull the trigger and watch the colored smoke bubbles rise above the glass of liquid or dessert. Over 20 natural flavors allow you to try different combinations. Portable, rechargeable, and very operational. Whether you're planning a party or making social media content, this gadget ensures reactions before anyone takes their first sip. Number 4. 8-bit Do Retro Mechanical Keyboard, M Edition. Retro looks. Modern performance. The 8-bit Do Retro Mechanical Keyboard M Edition is created for the gamers, creators, and those that enjoy those satisfying clicks. Including premium Calebox white V2 switches, durable PBT keycaps and hot swappable, this compact 87-key keyboard is designed to appeal to the user with ease of customization. Connect via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or USB-C. The dedicated control panel and aluminum volume knob make adjustments effortless. Then there are the oversized programmable super buttons, ready for shortcuts or macros without extra software. Every keystroke feels crisp. Every detail feels premium. It's nostalgia, productivity, and gaming performance packed into one stunning keyboard. Number 3. Click and Grow Smart Garden 9. Fresh herbs. Zero gardening skills. All the hard work is handled by the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9. Just insert the pre-seeded plant pods, fill the water tank and plug it in. An automatic LED grow light and self-watering system ensure the ideal growing setup throughout the year. Grow basil, lettuce, tomatoes, flowers, or dozens of other plants without sun and watering schedules. The app provides tips and reminders to harvest straight to your phone. Even boasts the first 9 plant pods in the box. Easy access to fresh ingredients in the kitchen. Number 2. Aqara FP2 Presence Sensor. Most motion sensors stop working when you stop moving. The Aqara FP2 doesn't. It employs cutting-edge mmWave radar technology which identifies you even when totally still. Build up to 30 custom zones in a single room, and automate lighting, climate, or security precisely. It can even follow more than one person at once without any wearable device. Works with all smart home systems, Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, and Home Assistant. It contains features such as fall detection that make it even more impressive. This isn't just a motion sensor. It's one of the smartest home upgrades available. Number 1. BOOX Palma 2. On first look, it seems like a smartphone. However, the BOOX Palma 2 is a whole new ballgame. This compact device with e-ink technology is created for an undisturbed reading atmosphere throughout. The high-resolution 300 ppi screen is easy to look at even in bright sunlight. The 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage keep books, documents, and notes running smoothly. Its lightweight, phone-sized design slips easily into your pocket for reading anywhere. The built-in fingerprint sensor adds fast, secure access. Whether you're commenting, rattling, or winding down before bed, the BOOX Palma 2 delivers a distraction-free, eye-friendly reading experience. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.